Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super cool 3D watermark in After Effects using Element 3D. This effect is perfect if you want your edits to look clean and professional. First, open After Effects and create a text layer. Type in the text you want to use for your watermark. Usually your name or your channel name works best. After that, create a solid layer and apply the Element 3D effect. Now, go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks, and select your text under Path Layer 1. Click on Scene Setup. Press Extrude to turn your text into 3D. Then, go over to Presets and choose a bevel style you like. Personally, I really like gold stripes because it makes the text look modern and shiny. Drag the bevel onto your extrusion model, then tweak the extrude depth. I usually set mine to around 3 for a nice balanced look. Next, go to Environment and choose an environment map you like. This will add reflections to your text and make it look more realistic. Once you're happy with it, click OK. Back in the main comp, your 3D text should now appear. Go to World Transform and center it in the middle of the screen so it looks balanced. After that, open Group 1, Particle Look, and enable Multi-Object. This allows each part of the 3D model to rotate independently. Now, under Rotation Random Multi, set a keyframe on the first frame with any number you want. Then go to the last frame and set another keyframe with a different value. This will create a smooth, random rotation animation. Also, increase displace to around 0.25 for a subtle 3D separation effect. After that, add the CC Light Sweep effect to give the watermark a shiny moving reflection. Click the center stopwatch and place it at the left corner on the first frame. Then drag it to the right corner on the last frame. Next, add Deep Glow or Deep Glow 2. Play around with the radius and exposure until you get a clean, glowing effect. I usually keep the radius slightly lower so the glow doesn't overpower the text. Finally, add Turbulent Displace to make the watermark look a bit more dynamic and alive. Set the amount to around 15 to 20 and the size to around 80 to 100. Then, hold Alt and click on the evolution stopwatch and type time to type of 200. This will make the displacement animate automatically over time, so you don't have to keyframe it manually. And that's it. Now you have a clean, professional, and animated 3D watermark that makes your edits stand out.